step forward and expose themselves as being involved in this somewhat seedy scene.
Now, cops are worried that Herman's life might be on the line. In his car, a chilling clue.
That newspaper had on it a handwritten address that was in Hadfield, which is near the airport.
That same address is also found on his in-car GPS.
Once the address was found, the police had a possible location